Hi, I'm Brittany from Kirwan Mazda. Today we're going to show you how to adjust your electric seats as well as save them to your memory option. Once you're in your vehicle, you'll need to turn your ignition on. Down the side of your seat you'll find your controls. You can use the back lever to move the back of the seat forwards and then backwards. You can use the front lever to push the seat forwards, and then again you can push it backwards. Using the front of this will pump up the front of the seat. It can also pump it down. And then towards the back of the front lever, you can use that to pump the back of the seat up, as well as pumping it down. Your button towards the back will then put in and out your lumbar support. In order to save your memory seat, you need to hold down the set button. Once you hear the noise, you can then pick between the two options. Hold that down. Once you hear the same noise as the set button, your memory seat is saved. Now that you know the many ways to adjust your seat, you can find your ideal driving position.